Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance Square. My name is Zari and you guys are watching another week ahead price range and technical analysis. Now, I try to simplify all the technical analysis, moving average, to obviously just to give the support level and the resistance level. Now, I have used different combination of time frame to obviously try to give you a price range that will be valid for the next week. So starting from today until the next week. So if you are not certain how good are my price range, obviously I highly recommend you guys to watch my last week. I actually covered quite a lot of cryptocurrency, and the price range I gave for the next week were actually 90% accurate so far. So this week I'm trying to give you for the next 7 days what will be the range. Also right now we're looking at the more bullish market momentum. So we're going to be looking for this specific episode. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, XRP, Polkadot. So this is the review. So let's go dive in and give those price ranges. We're going to start with our favorite one, our number one coin. We're looking at Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, in order for us to really understand what are the price range, I actually need to use for this specific video a 1-day chart, and we'll say I've looked also at the moving average, and the price range that actually I've set up for this next 7 days is support level 46,500 and the resistance level will be $50,000. Now if we're gonna have the worst case scenario, we're looking at $42,000. So $42,000, this will be the worst case scenario. So if you have any leverage position, make sure you can actually sustain a price correction of $42,000, if not even $41,000, just to be on the safe side. This is not the place to trade with high leverage, maybe leverage 2, leverage 3. Be conservative. We are looking at right now the market going slowly up and up and up. So obviously we want to secure those profits and obviously try to accumulate more and more cryptocurrency. Now for the next cryptocurrency actually we're going to be looking at is Ethereum. Now obviously to try to illustrate the price range is I actually needed to use a 12 hours time frame, and the next resistance level for Ethereum, which I thought was quite realistic for the next 7 days, is 3,552, and the support level was actually around the 3,200. Now, if we're gonna have a very nasty market momentum, something bad gonna happen, the worst price range I can see for Ethereum for the next 7 days is around here. We shall say around $3,000. This is again worst case scenario. That will be around like almost 10% correction. Now the third cryptocurrency that actually I want to cover is Cardano. So the Cardano price range actually I'm setting up. Again, I'm being quite conservative, and I think this is very realistic. It's 2.5 for Cardano for the next 7 days. This will try the resistance level that they're going to try to break, and the support level will be around the 1.8, 1.7. Again, right now it seems it's gonna be most likely reaching it, but I'm still have a feeling it's not gonna be able to break that 2.5 resistance level. So this is on a 1 week chart. Now we also had finally some amazing news where XRP for the first time since, from what I can see here, well, since a long time, since June, broke the $1 price market. So now we're actually looking at 1.14. This is the current price. And the resisting level for XRP, from what I can see for the next 7 days, will be 1.6. And I do not foresee XRP to go too low, but if it will be, I think the support level will be around the 0.8. That will be quite a support level if we're gonna have some price movement. And for worst case scenario, I think worst case scenario we're looking at 0.7 or 0.65. This is really worst case scenario. Again, always think about the worst case scenario when you actually are opening a trade, where leverage can you sustain there if the market can go to that worst case scenario. Now we're looking at Chainlink. So Chainlink has been really going up over the last, since I'll say what, since mid-July. It's been really going up. So I think it reached the all-time lows around, was it $13 or $14, and right now we're trading at $27.25. So from what I was able to examine on looking on a 3-day chart, based on my technical analysis, so I set up a resistance level at 30, I would say 36, $35 for Chainlink before we're going to see some major correction, and the support level it will be around the $22. Again, I do not see any major correction. If we're going to have any major correction, it's going to still be around the 20 to 22. It should not go way below that for the next 7 days. Now, our last cryptocurrency that we're going to be covering for this specific segment is Polkadot. So Polkadot is really on track to reach that $30. So if you look here right now, it's around 22.8, and again, support level for that one will be around that 18 or even $17. That will be the price range for Polkadot support level, and the resistance level will be around that $30. So this is my price range for those cryptocurrency. If you have any specific cryptocurrency that you actually want me to cover, you're more than welcome to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and I'll try to add it for the next video. Now, I'm also going to try to publish a very clear article where you can actually see the price range. For those who don't have the time to watch 7-minute video, you can obviously just look at the picture and the image and the chart, and then obviously read the data. So that is it for this week. Until next time, bye bye.